Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're going to check out the Rhino Coffee Gear Brewing Scales. The brewing scales are a neat and affordable set of scales for brewing filter coffee with, as they not only have a protective rubber mat for heats and spills on the weigh plate, being able to tear and zero them off is equally as important, so you can measure the net weight of something, and this is particularly handy for dosing out your beans or brewing that filter coffee on. But there's also an inbuilt timer to these, so you can control both the weight and time whilst brewing. The max capacity to the brewing scales is a whopping 3 kilograms. And what's also impressive is they feature an accurate reading of down to 0.1 gram accuracy, using grams and ounces amongst the measurements used in the different weigh modes. Now, these scales can individually be calibrated too, and this ensures the performance of the scale gives a reliable reading throughout its lifetime. Important to do, it's recommended to calibrate your scales based on the frequency of use. Their LCD screen is backlit and easily viewable during use, with an auto off function set at 3 minutes if left unattended, and this is to conserve power, but you can also select this to be less time or simply have it turned off if you prefer. The scales come with 2 AAA batteries, and it also displays how much charge you have left. And another great feature with these scales are you're able to set the scales to beep at a specific time. Say if you've always wanted to stop your brew at 2 minutes 30. So once you lift the brewer off the scale, the beeping will stop. And that's the brewing scales from Rhino Coffee Gear for you. If you have any questions on the brew scales, then throw them in the comments below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon and subscribe so you keep up to date with our latest videos. If you've enjoyed this one, hit like. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.